Hello everybody, Amanda Davis here, Avon Independent Sales Representative in the United States of America, and I wanted to come on really quickly for my representative tips for Campaign 24 2018. So Campaign 24, if you're not aware, we are still working with the double dollars incentive as far as your biggest campaign from campaigns 22 through 26. Avon is going to double that so that you can get closer to President's Club. And basically, it's just your award sales are going to be doubled. So your order is going to be as normal, your commission, everything is going to be as normal, but your biggest one is going to be doubled so that your award sales can be higher, so you can try to reach that President's Club level of 10,000 or more in sales. And the holidays is definitely a time to go for it. Campaign 24 has more of our holiday items. Campaign 23 was the start of it, but it was just kind of a tease for the holidays. Campaign 24 has a whole lot more, and then campaigns 25 and 26 will actually have even more. And so 24 has all of our vintage inspired stuff, which I think will hopefully be a hit, because it's fun things like these lipsticks and palettes. And we have another lipstick 10 that was really popular the last couple times they had one. The mirrors, which I will say, the little mirrors, my grandma actually had one of the actual ones from the 70s or whenever it was that she got it. And my mom, we found it in one of her old purses. So that was kind of fun and iconic. But that's when I saw the mirrors, that's immediately what came to my mind. And then we have this really fun makeup palette that actually, you can pull out the it's 3 different palettes all in one, bookcase holder thing. And so you can pull them out. And so you're getting 3 palettes. You're getting a cheek palette and then 2 eyeshadow palettes. And so 24 eyeshadows and 4 blushes is what you're getting. And it's just a cute little, it says 3 makeup palettes fit into a sleeve. And each palette has a little palette with the little mirror. And then you have the mini brush set, and that's always fun. And then the star decanters are back. I know those are really popular and people were looking for them a few years when we didn't have them. Well, they're back. This time they chose to feature the Far Away fragrances in them. And then there's a fun vintage inspired bottle for haiku as well. And then there's some vintage inspired jewelry and the little pens. And then there's also a collectible plate, mug, and ornament. There is this fun 2-wick candle. There's our pewter ornament for this year is the angel. And just says 2018 in the middle there. I know the focus on this isn't very good, but 2018 in the middle. And then there is this fun, it's a tea light countdown calendar, 12 days of Christmas. And behind each door is a different scented tea lights. That's really fun. And there's also this scented ornament. And that was popular last year. So they brought it back. And this one has notes of balsam fir, pomander, frosted pine cone, and allspice. It's the holiday cheer scent. And then, like I said, you're getting, for the 12 days of Christmas tea light calendar, you're getting 12 little tea lights that burn for about an hour each. And, well, actually, I take that back. They burn for about 4 hours each. And then they have, there's 12 different scents. So you're getting a little bit of a sampling of some of our different scents. And some of them are available in full size. And then we have some ready-to-go gift sets for perfume and also for cologne, as well as a purse spray of our newest fragrance, Velvet. And then we have, along with that, we have purse sprays of Far Away and Amari Elixir. And they're in these cute little holiday stockings. And then we have bubble baths are back, mini bubble baths, as well as some emery boards. And then we also have these lip and cheek tint fun and vintage inspired packaging. And then we have our hand creams and lip balms. And the way they're being sold in the brochure is $2 each, or you can get one of the bundles for $7 each. And they are 5-piece bundles. So the nice thing about, so as far as a representative tip, basically you want to make sure you're showing off all of these things to your customers. But I know one thing that's good to have is the stocking stuffers, and like these things sell like hotcakes normally. So something fun that a lot of representatives do is they'll put them in little like mini gift sets. And so, you know, people like that kind of stuff as a quick grab and go gift. And so, I would say, you know, hand cream and a lip balm together, if you charged $3 each, I mean, you would sell 2 bundles, that'd be $6. That'd be more than what you paid as a demo. But even if you were getting it out of the book for campaign 24, you're going to pay less than $7 as a representative. So as long as you're making sure you're making enough to make back your money at the very least, if not make more money. But I would say if you did a lip balm and a hand cream for $3 each, I mean, you're not really losing any money on that. And the people are still getting a deal, because if they got the hand cream and the lip balm individually, it'd be $4. So that's something to take into account. And then what I'm really excited about is this beauty calendar that's the countdown calendar. So I did get one of those to show off to people, because I think it's one of those things that if people see it, they would be more likely to buy it, just because, it, you know, you can tell that it's a fun little thing, and then show them what's inside, of course. But I think this is going to be a really fun, popular seller as well. And then another palette. This one's a lip palette. And then we do have the Senses, and these are being sold as a bundle, all 3 of them for $10.99. Yeah, all 3 for $10.99 to customers. Your cost is $6.59 if you get them. But again, you know, people like grab and go gift set things. So a shower gel, lotion, and body spray all together as a gift set is a perfect thing to go ahead and sell that. And same with these other gift sets that we have in the limited edition scents. You know, you could grab a couple of the pieces from the set and put it together. I know I got from each one the shower gel, hand cream, and the body lotion, and was thinking that I would put those together as 3-piece sets. But you could do it with all 5 of them if you wanted. I mean, that would be up to you. And then, of course, we have our PJs. We have our slippers. And an idea I saw with the slippers, although you'd have to be careful because of availability, but was to actually get people to donate like the money to you to buy the slippers, to as a fundraiser, to be able to donate the slippers to senior living homes near you. So that's a different idea. And then we have, of course, jewelry. And the jewelry and the watches, really the way you're going to sell that, again, is wearing it, demoing it, sharing it, having, you know, the pieces on hand to show people. I know I already sold my 10-piece earring set that I had as a demo. You know, stuff like that, just because people, when they see it, they're going to be more likely to go, oh, that's really cute, I want that, you know. And then, you know, there is some other jewelry in here. I won't go all the way through it because you can go through the what's new. But, and don't forget about men. Do let people know we do have a few offerings for men, as well as our candles, our 3-wick candles. They have a 11-hour burn time. Or no, that's not right. They have a 30-hour burn time. They're 11 ounces. But 3-wick candles. And just really fun scents. And if you were able to get a hold of the bookmarks, you do want to try to give out your bookmarks with your books, which reminds me, I did get some bookmarks and I forgot to give them out with some of my books, but oh well. But if you get the bookmarks, you want to try to give them out. And then we do have the fun holiday decor as well. So again, anything that you can get to demo, good. Obviously don't break the bank with demos, but I think when people see the demos and they realize, hey, that's Avon, that's really cool, then they're more likely to buy it than just when they just see it in the book. And that's actually it as far as the new things in Campaign 24. Like I said, Campaign 20 each. I like the fact that this holiday season, each campaign, Avon progressively came out with new stuff, because that hasn't happened every holiday season. Almost at Halloween, because it's the day before Halloween. But anyway, Avon, I think they did good this year as far as kind of pacing things out a little bit, because I think it's something that could make people come back a second time. They buy from you in campaigns 23 or 24, and they could go, wait a minute, because campaign 25, there's something new that they like, which is a good thing, because, I think sometimes when people look at our books and there's only a couple things that are new and that kind of thing, which is good too, but still, like, you want to have your customers keep coming back for more. And I think having the different things released will kind of help with that a little bit this holiday season. The other thing is, you want to make sure with the holidays that you're telling people, if you see something you want, get it now. Don't wait. If you see something you want it now, because if you wait, it's probably not going to be available. And we actually already have had some of our stuff in Campaign 23 be sold out because it was just that popular. So, you do want to just make sure that your customers are aware with the holidays. There is a limited supply. These things are popular. They're going to go. They're going to sell. So they want to make sure that if they see something they want, they're getting it ASAP. And other than that, I guess I don't really have any other new tips. I know one thing that I'll be doing is some vendor fairs. This is the season for that. And like I said, this is the season for vendor fairs. I know I have at least one Facebook party that's booked, but I'll probably end up doing at least another one myself. So that would be 2 at minimum. Because Black Friday and stuff too, that's coming up, and that won't be during Campaign 24, but it will be during your Campaign 25, I do believe. So, you just have to kind of think about, okay, it's the holidays, let's market ourselves as somebody that has holiday gifts. Think about your current customers, think about people that maybe are current customers and they don't buy but so often, but kind of reach out to them and be like, hey, would you like a holiday brochure? That kind of thing. So thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will see everybody next time. Bye guys. Thanks again.